Hello guys, I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today we are going to discuss this bipartite graph problem of GFG. So let's move on to the problem guys. Here we are given a graph with v number of nodes and all the edges is given with us in ADJ vector. Okay, so now guys we have to find out whether the graph is bipartite or not. Now what do you mean by bipartite? Suppose this is our graph. Okay, there are many other nodes as well, but suppose these are some nodes. Then if we are given this a particular color X, given this this a particular color Y, then then we cannot give this the color Y, we cannot give this the color X. Means two adjacent node can never have the same color. If this is X, then this node cannot have color X. This is Y, then this node cannot have color Y. Now this node have some color C. Now this can have color X, this can have color Y, but cannot have color C. Means two adjacent node cannot have same color. Okay, so what we are doing? We are doing in this problem, given initial node color 0, next node color 1, next node color 0, next node color 1, and try to give all node color in this manner. But if some point, like suppose if this is a graph given to us, this is 0, this is another node, and this is one more node. Okay, suppose then it is 0, so we will give one color to it. Okay, so now what I want to say, if this is a graph given to us, okay, we give color 0 to it, 1 to it, 0 to it. Now we will give one color 1 to it and 1 to it. Now for this, when we are doing DFS, then we try to give this color 0, but it cannot possible because we already given color 1 to it. So this graph cannot satisfy our bipartite condition, so we just written 0. Okay, so here we just need to do DFS and check whether we can give different color or not. Here we give 0 color to 0, 1 color to 1, 0 color to 2. Here blue and green color is my 0, blue color is my 1. Similarly 0, 1, then it is 0, like how 0, 2, 3, 1. How this graph is made? 0, 2, 3, and 1. We are given 0 to this, so we need to give 1 to this. Okay, now when we are doing DFS from this one, we will give 0 to this color, but this node already contain this is the value of the node, this one is the value of the node. Okay, so we try to give 0 to it, but this already contain 1, so this cannot satisfy our bipartite condition, so we just return 0. Okay guys, so how we will do it? Initially we make a vector of int color, initialize it with -1 because no color is given to our particular ith node. Then for all the vertex I check if my color I is not equal to -1, means in some iteration I have already given uh, color to my ith node, then I just continue. Else I will do DFS with my current node, parent node is suppose -1, adjacent 0 is my current color, and CR is my color vector. And if this DFS is not possible, I just return 0. But if I come out of the loop and means my all the DFS possible, I can give a color to each of the particular node so that my bipartite graph condition satisfy. Then I just return 1. Okay guys, so here is my DFS. Now what is my DFS? This is my current node, this is my y current parent, this is my sum node, this is my node parent. For initial node I does not have any parent, that's why I take it -1. This is my current node, then this is my neighbor node, this is my neighbor node. Now when I am doing DFS from my current, then this is also neighbor, this is also neighbor. But if I come out of it, then its neighbor is current, then it will make a cycle. That's why whenever I found the parent, I will not traverse back, means I will not take this step, I will take all other step. Okay, I will go to all other node, not parent, because it will make my cycle. Now for current, parent is this, for neighbor my parent is current. Okay, this is important step. Now Now, okay guys, so first of all I will understand the DFS for all the neighbor node I of my adjacent current node. If I is not is equal to parent node, I will do DFS with my current node became I. This is my ith node now. Its parent became current node I, parent became current, adj vector same 1 minus c. Now if my c means current color, if it is 0, then to next node it is 1 minus 0, that is 1. And if it is 1, then to next node it is 1 minus c, then it is c4, then it is 1 minus c, that is 1 minus 1, that is 0. So from 0 it became 1, from 1 it became 0, then again 1, then again 0. Okay, so this is how we maintain the cycle. And now CL vector I am passing it by reference so that time complexity decrease and all the updated vectors should be with in each function code. And if this DFS is okay, then okay, we just continue. Else while if it is not possible to do this DFS anyway, it is written 0, then I return 0, means my DFS call is false. And else while if I contain all the DFS call I can make, then I just return 1. Okay, I will show you by example as well. So, and if now if my color, this CL is my color vector. Now if the color of my current array is equal to C, means I already given a particular color to current node, then I just return 1, because I have already done a DFS from particular current node. Then it is I will return 1. Else while means DFS is possible. Else while if my color of current vector is not is equal to -1. Okay, suppose the CL value can be 3, it is 0, it is 1, and it is -1. One of these two is C, one of these two is C. So if my C value is satisfied, then return 1. Else while if it is not is equal to -1, means it is not is equal to C, it is not is equal to -1. So it is other than C, means if C is 0 then it is 1, if C is 1 then it is 0. Then means we cannot possible, the DFS cannot possible, means one node try to make try to take two different color, so just return 0. Okay, this is else while. Else while if these two conditions are false, or I my means my color graph of my color of particular node cannot is not decided yet, then CL color is equal to C, means current node color is C. Okay, this is how we will done it. At last just return 1. Similarly here at last when all the DFS complete, just return 1. This is a very famous graph problem, find bipartite. Okay guys, so you can see all the 825 test cases pass out. So I hope you will understand the approach. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, and comment if you understand the approach, or if you have any doubt then just also comment out. I will try my best to explain you. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, and check out my channel for more this type of videos. Thank you for watching this guys. Stay tuned.